All right, so in this video, it's definitely going to be short. And in this video, I'm going to explain how to calculate your pips and how to calculate your lot size in some major Forex pairs, having USD as their quote pair, and how to calculate your lot size for XAU USD and BTC USDT. All right, let's head on straight to business. So up here, this is my trading view. I explained this prior to the last video, but I just feel maybe there should be a short video on this. So I mean, we are lazy right now and we need the main thing. Yeah, so I decided to do this. What do I mean by Forex pairs that has USD as the what? Quote pair. Now, if you look to this side of my screen where we have XAU, to the left of my screen, XAU USD, these guys, yes, these guys. Now you can see that we have a first currency slash US dollar. So US dollar here is the quote pair and euro is the what base pair. So I'll be giving you how to calculate your lot sizes on Forex pairs that has USD as a quote pair. So let's head on to euro USD. Let's go to the chart. Let's go to the euro USD. All right. Let me take this out. All right. For euro USD, it's simple. You know, textbooks will tell you if you want to calculate your pips, it will be your entry price minus your stop loss price. That will give you your amount of pips in your stop side. And your take profit price minus your entry price, that will give you your amount in what? Take profit pips. You understand what I'm saying? In your TP pips. And that's what test devs are going to tell you. And some videos are basically just to tell you that if you look on this blue area underneath here, where you see stop 0.00242, some YouTube page are just going to tell you neglect the last number, and we always neglect the last number, and so you call out the remaining two digits. So that was definitely going to be your pips. So if we were to follow those videos, yeah, it will be 24 pips because we are neglecting the last number. They are not wrong though. They are not wrong. But my question is, what's the logic behind it? So why would you just tell me to neglect the last number? Curiosity made me see that a lot of people want to know. But I mean, the answer has been in front of us all this while. Because if you see this short two, this long two, sorry, immediately what I want you to be interested in is just this figure after the bracket. Yes, forget the bracket, forget the 0.00242. The only figure I want you to be interested in is the figure after the bracket, which is the 24.2. Same thing with the take profit size. If I should extend this, what's the figure after the bracket? 50.2. So if you want to calculate your lot size, now you know how to say your pips in quantity, because I mean, it's there. It's in this tool, long and short tool. So these are tools you use to get into trades. To buy, it's for the long. To sell, it's for the short. All right, so now you know that this is how to say your pips because the tool already drafted it out. So this is 24.2 pips stop loss, and this is 50.2 pips take profit. So how do I get my lot size? It's simple. Note that for every pair having US dollar as a quote pair, it is what? Risk divided by this 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 figure after the bracket, which is your stop loss pip. So it's risk. Let me take this out. It is risk it is risk divided by your stop loss piece, which is 24.2 divided by 10. Yes, you should know this, that anytime you're dealing with pairs with USD as a quote pair, you divide both by 10, and that's that simple. Period. USD as a quote pair, look up to this guy, Euro USD. So same thing you would do for GPB USD, same thing you do for card USD, any pair with USD as a code pair. This is what you do. This is how you do it. So now you know how to say your pips. You don't need to do this minus this minus this is there in your tools. All the only digits you should be interested in is the digit after those brackets. That's all. So let's head on to gold because I promise I will be doing it for gold as well. Now for gold, it's very easy. Gold is straight and direct. So on this trade, I explained earlier how I took this trade. So if you want to understand why I had the loss on this trade, the story behind this whole beautiful picture, you should head on to the previous video and just work your way around it. All right, on this trade, how to get my lot size is easy. How easy it is. What did I say? The figure after the bracket is the only thing you are interested in. But for gold, what you're doing is what? Risk divided by this figure only. No more stress, no divided by 10 and anything. Same thing with BTC, Bitcoin. Want to trade BTC, crypto related guys, it's exactly the same thing you would do. So this is BTC. This was a crazy loss. Cute, but I didn't get on the trade though. So I was waiting for confirmation around this place. So Bitcoin, for instance, I want to sell from this place. What did I say? The digits after the bracket. That's the only thing you need to be interested in. So it is what my risk divided by this 3,332. That's all. You get your lot size. So thank you guys for staying to the end. If you find this video simple and interesting, short and captive, of value to you, please hit on the like button. Comment on what you want me to teach you on the next video and hit the subscribe button. Thank you.